So I think for newcomers looking to get into the hobby, it's always good to find some experienced breeders to try and establish a mentor. So if you can create a relationship with an experienced breeder and have them help you and mentor you, I think that's a really good thing. You don't necessarily need to get birds from them, but just somebody that's always there that you can ask advice and work with. I think that's a really important part of starting in the hobby.
Which comes first, quantity or quality? What are your suggestion on this?
When you're first starting in the hobby, I think quantity is more important than quality. I think you need to learn how to breed birds, learn how to care for birds. So I think, the more birds you breed, the more chance you've got of, maybe fluking or flipping out a couple of good ones. And use the opportunity just to learn and to observe what's going on, what you're doing. So I think quantity is much better than quality when you're starting. Just be patient, take your time, learn from your mistakes, and you don't need to be at the top straight away.
If you know Bangladesh, what's your opinion of this country? Please make your comment on this.
Oh, I don't know a lot about Bangladesh. I do know in my professional life, we've had some researchers from Bangladesh come to our country, very educated people and lovely people. Um, I think one of the interesting parts of the world in the budgie hobby at the moment, and one of the exciting parts of the world is Bangladesh and Pakistan and India. There's a real strong push for budgies in that part of the world, and even into more Southeast Asia, into Thailand and those sort of places. I think that's maybe even where the future of the hobby is, in that part of the world.
How do you take care of baby birds?
Yeah, baby birds are always hard to take care of. You've got to. Sometimes I feel at my place it's a little bit of survival at the fittest, and um, but baby birds, I try and have millet sprays going into the nest boxes before they come out of the nest box, um, so that they're a little more prepared when they hit the floor of the cage, and that way they transition better into the baby cage. And then in the baby cage, you've just got to have just food everywhere. So lots of millet sprays, lots of dishes, big dishes of seed, so that they've got really easy access when they decide they want to start pecking at stuff, really easy access to good quality food. So I think that's really important, is just having that range of stuff on the floor of the baby cage that they can just peck at and basically get on their feet.
What's your name and your position?
Sorry?
What's your name and position?
So my name is Peter Thurn, and I'm from Australia. I'm the Vice President of the ANBC, and I'm the President of the Budgerigar Council of Victoria.
Thank you very much.